My old beater. What the? Jesus Christ! Delamain!
Did you see what happened? Something feels off here.
You don't say.
I don't mean the raccoon. The run. City's most courteous chauffeur up and drives away from the scene of an accident.
You don't say. He goes, you don't say. Fuck! My car! Please accept our sincerest apologies regarding traffic incident no 7,007,111,000. The Delamain Corporation cordially invites you to its main headquarters in order to assess damages. The fuck? He said beep beep, motherfucker!